everyone, very warm welcome to WsCube Tech. So guys, in our previous session we have covered that how we can filter the data and bring it to our Python. In our today's session we will be talking about sorting the data. That means Python MongoDB allows us to sort the data. How we can sort the data alphabetically or numerically, we'll be looking at that in this session. Now there are two methods to do it. First of all, we can sort the data in the form of ascending order, and then we can sort the data in the form of descending order. For that we have one simple function that we have over here is sort. That dot sort, along with dot sort, it takes two parameters. If the default parameter over here is ascending order, and for descending we write -1. So default over here is 1, and if you want to arrange it in the descending order, in that case we will be writing -1. And the first parameter is that on the basis of which field do you want to sort it. Like if you want to sort it on the basis of someone's age, if you want to sort it on the basis of someone's name. So in that way we can sort the data. So now let's have a look on how we can sort the data. To sort the data, first of all, let's import PyMongo. So let's import PyMongo. Let's create the connection as well. So I'll be writing client is equals to PyMongo.Mongo client, and inside this we will be passing our local host. That means the two parameters. One is the local host, and it should be inside the double quotations. So I'll be writing over here local host without giving any space, put a comma, then the port number 27017. Once you're done with this, we'll be writing the DB name and the collection name. So the name of the DB is client. In the square brackets, we'll be passing company. So the name of the DB is company. And next thing that we have over here is the collection. So collection is equals to DB. And inside the square brackets we will be passing the name of the collection, that is employee data, which we have been working on. So we have employee data over here, and now let's come back here on our compass. So we have John, Peter, then again Peter, Maria, Ben, Jacob and Rebecca. Okay, now how do I want to sort it? Let's first sort them alphabetically on the basis of their names. Okay, so to sort them on the basis of their names, simply here we will be writing, again we will be using the find option, because find will find the whole data and sort it and then bring it over here using the for loop. In that case I'll be writing data is equals to collection dot find dot sort. Once we have written sort, inside this sort we will be passing that on the basis of what do we need to sort it. So on the basis of their name we need to sort it, and right now I'm not changing it to ascending or descending order. Simply I'll print it. So I'll be writing for I in data print our data. And actually we don't have to print the data, but we have to print I here. Now let's run and see. As soon as I'll run it, as you can see over here, everything has been arranged. We have obtained all the data and everything has been arranged over here in the ascending order. We have Ben, Jacob, John, Maria, Peter, Rebecca. And if you will notice over here, we have John, Peter, Maria, Ben, Jacob. So here in our MongoDB, the order is random. On the other hand, here we have received the data on the basis of their names, which has been arranged in the ascending order. Similarly, if you want it to be in a descending order, in that case, we can simply write -1 here. And as soon as we'll run it, we'll get the data in the descending order. That previously we had Ben on top, now Ben is there on the end. And here we have Rebecca. So Rebecca previously was at the bottom and now she's on the top here. Okay, so this was with the name, and if you want to do it with the age, let's do it with the age as well. Let's see what happens. So here you will notice that we have 31, 31, 31, 25, 25, 24 and 22. Similarly, if you want the ascending order, don't just write anything, just simply sort it on the basis of age. So here we will get the data which is arranged on the basis of age. So here we have 22, 24, 25, 25, 31, 31 and 31. So this is how the data has been arranged with the help of sort. That means here you do not have to define the ascending order. The ascending order is the default value over here, but for the descending you have to write -1. So this is basically all about sorting a data. Sorting a data is very simple, pretty simple over here, that we can just simply write the find function to find all the data and then arrange it. If you want, sorting means arranging them in the order that we have provided over here. So you can sort it on the basis of their names, on the basis of their age, or whatever fields or columns you have over here. So I hope guys that sorting the data in PyMongo is clear to you. It was pretty simple. All you need to do was write a dot sort function and pass two parameters, and simply you can sort the whole database. That means you can obtain the database and you can sort it in the alphabetical order or whatever you want, right? So I hope guys that you have no doubts in the questions. In our next session we are going to talk about deleting the data. So stay connected guys, and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.